You are watching GboahTv. Kindly subscribe, like, and follow. Thank you.
My name is Iyabo Ojo. I'm here for Odunlade Adekola. Lakatabu. That's the movie right now, raining right now, and it's going to start showing in all cinemas from June 21. So I'm here to support my own, and yes, let's do our thing. Yeah, I have seen the trailer, and the only thing that comes to my mind is wahala, action, ijogbon, gbogbo ẹ. So to me, it's an action movie, and I hope that, I get to love it. All right. I wish him all the best, Odun. I wish you all the best, greater heights, success, everything that you wish yourself, I wish you plus more. All right, thank you. Labake Olododo coming soon. We are shutting down all cinemas. Shut down.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow GboahTv page for latest G. Thank you.